Hello and welcome to this video dedicated to the Pollo AI platform, an outstanding environment where you can generate high-quality AI videos and images with impressive effects. Pollo AI now includes a powerful AI agent able to handle several tasks such as creating viral videos or user-generated content advertisements that you can share across social media that we are going to explore in this video. Let's get started. Log into the platform and open the main interface. This shows several generation features at the top, loads of videos you can use and get inspired, and also tips and tutorials you can follow. There is also a wide list of visual effects you can explore and try. At the top, you have 3 generation options. You can switch to AI video to generate videos starting from a prompt, AI image to generate YouTube thumbnails or images for social media, and AI agent to generate ready-to-use videos with guidance, even if you have no prior experience. At the bottom, you will find several options. In this tutorial, we will focus on clone viral video and UGC video advertisements. Let's select the first one. This AI agent is designed to generate videos with high viral potential, analyzing trends and social media patterns to reach the right audience without requiring manual research and skills, saving a lot of time and money. For example, we can generate a viral video featuring a cat as subject, including other key elements such as environment, the mood, and emotion, the target audience if relevant, and the style and camera if needed. The prompt can be short or detailed. The process is fully guided, as we will see. Below, select the aspect ratio to use. For platforms like Instagram or TikTok, choose a vertical format. For YouTube, choose the landscape horizontal format. Then, select the style, for example, anime or a realistic one. At this point, launch the AI. This AI agent analyzes your request and interacts with you, guiding you through the next steps. It does not simply generate content from a prompt, but supports you throughout the entire creation process. The current session is saved, as you can see in the list of chats on the left. The AI agent interacts with you, explaining the single steps performed and asking for additional information needed where applicable. In this case, let's choose a video lasting 10 seconds. During each request, you can also provide further links or upload media files for reference. You can avoid this if you want the AI to be more creative. The agent proceeds, asking for details or confirmation such as aspect ratio, video length, style to match your expectations. Let's continue. At this point, the AI agent analyzes online content to match your request with structures commonly used in high-performing viral videos, providing several previews of the popular videos taken as reference from TikTok or Instagram. You can also check the total views and likes for each of them. You can specify which one to follow or request an improved search, allowing the AI to refine its analysis and better align with your idea. The agent continues showing you each step towards the final video, with the entire process guided and easy for you to understand. It also defines multiple shots, their duration, and the detailed prompts that will shape the final video, saving all your requests and feedback made so far. Just like discussing with a human editor, there is no experience needed in prompt writing or video production at all. Let's proceed with generating the video. The AI agent also supports multitasking. While asking for confirmation or additional variations, it continues generating supporting content, such as the storyboards. This way, you refine the result without interrupting the workflow. This is the result. The AI generates storyboard images that you can review. See how these images are incredibly consistent. Check the environment, the visual style, and the cat maintaining the same fur pattern and color, such as the white paws across all the frames. You can also download the generated video, which includes audio and background sound effects, ready to be shared on social media. In this case, the video duration is 10 seconds as chosen earlier, with a resolution of 720p HD at 30 frames per second. Now return to the home page and explore another use of the AI agent, focused on the UGC video advertisement, selectable at the bottom. In this case, the AI agent is designed to generate videos optimized to convert viewers into customers for a promoted product. Start by defining the general idea. For example, you can request a video where a 40-year-old man promotes a backpack named The Extreme, highlighting its look and durability. You can upload a reference image for the avatar if you like, and upload several media files. You can provide multiple images of the backpack, as more references help improve the result and keep the product consistent. At the bottom, select the aspect ratio, for example a vertical format for TikTok or Instagram, and set the video length up to 16 seconds. You can also choose the target platform and the language to be used. Launch the AI agent. It may ask for confirmation of the video setup. Next, the AI agent requests video metadata. Enter a title, such as Meet the Extreme Backpack, and add a product description. At the bottom, review the uploaded images, add more if needed, and then select Confirm and Continue. At this point, the AI agent generates the base script for your advertisement, operating in multitasking mode, allowing you to interact with it while the generation process is still ongoing. The AI agent provides several script versions that you can review and refine if needed. For example, let's select the third version. You can then choose the avatar directly or describe it through a prompt, especially if you want to adjust the environment or overall scene. The AI agent generates multiple previews that you can review to compare results and choose the most suitable one. These videos include voiceover, background music, and embedded captions. Since these are previews, they may display static avatars or imperfect lip sync.
Engineered to eliminate discomfort and keep you ready for any weather. I've definitely been there, which is why I switched to the Extreme. It's built tough for every adventure.
To evaluate the final quality, proceed with the full video generation. Select one option and continue with the generation process. This is the final result. Let's download it and play back.
If you want to have the best outdoor adventures, you need a backpack designed for comfort and durability. That's why the TrailGuard Pro backpack is expertly engineered to eliminate discomfort and keep you ready for any weather. I've definitely been there, which is why I switched to the Extreme. It's built tough for every adventure, with weather-resistant durability and genius pockets. Comfort never takes a backseat, even on the longest trails. Get yours now. This is the last backpack you'll ever need.
Pollo AI is not limited to the AI agent. It is a complete all-in-one platform for media creation, integrating advanced models such as Seedance, Google, Veo, Sora, Kling AI, Hailuo AI, and others, supporting output up to HD resolution. It offers a professional and accessible environment within a single subscription. Check the link in the video description to get started with Pollo AI right away.